My name is Jeff Schrock. I own Schrock Repair along with my wife in Goodfield, Illinois. Goodfield is a small community. Everybody knows everybody. They cover each other's backs. Here at Schrock Repair, we have 5 automobile mechanics and we have 2 boat mechanics. We do a lot of automobile work, ambulance work, work on fire trucks. The relationship with my employees, I consider them family. I think it's very important to have a bond with them, just fill out their needs. Good employees like we have are hard to find, so we try to take care of them to the best of our ability. It was important to us as a company to protect our employees, their families. If something would happen where they can't work, that helps pay their bills. Illinois Mutual's been so good to work with. They offered several different options and packages. They talked to everybody as a group and kind of let them know what they had to offer, and then had a private meeting with each person so they could ask questions if they needed to. The benefits that Illinois Mutual has to offer gives me peace of mind that if something would happen, that they would be in much better shape and covered.